Hello, welcome to the class. We have this logarithm equation here. The question is the logarithm of x base 9 equals to the logarithm of 5 base 3. So what is the value of x here? Now, it may surprise you to see that here we are having different bases, but how do we solve this? It is very simple. So let's take our solution here. Okay, the question is our log of our x base 9 equals to the log of our 5 base 3, right? Good. So from here, we just think of rewriting this base here. 9 can be written as 3 to the power of 2, okay? So let's write that. So this is going to give us the log of our x base 3 to the power of 2. This is equal to the log of our 5 base 3. Now, there is a special law to solving this. I can swear move these two to this side, but this time around is going to be 1 all over 2 times everything we have here. Okay, see the law here. The law says that when you have a log function of this kind, that you have your log, let's take log a, right? Log a base b to the power of m. Said this is equal to our 1 all over m times the log of our a base b, base b. Yeah, this is the law. Okay, now, but if you are not too clear with that, then I can equally solve this in another method, right? Okay, so what is the method I want to use here now? Instead of apply this law here, it is very simple. I want to apply what is called the change of base law to this expression we have in here. And the law of change of base law says that if you have your log a base b and you want to change this base to c, then this is going to give you log your a base c all over log b base c. So either we apply this law or we apply this law, but let me take this one here now. And so this is going to give us here our log x. And what base are we changing to? We are changing to base 3. So this is equals to s base 3 all over our log 3 to the power of 2 base 3, everything equal to our log 5 base 3. Okay, now we move this power back here, apply another law, which says that when you have log a to the power of m, so this is equal to your m times log your a. Okay, so with this is going to give us our log x base our 3 all over our log 3 base 3 with the 2 coming to the back here, or to the front rather. Then this is equal to our log 5 base 3. Simple. Here we have what is called same base rule playing out. So same base rule says that when you have log a base a is equal to 1, provided a is not equal to 0. And so this is going to give us 1. And so we're going to have here to be our log x base 3 all over our 2 is equal to our log 5 base 3. So multiply through by our 2. And so this is going to give us log x base 3 all over 2 times our 2 equal to 2 times log 5 base 3. Wow. And so this and this will leave. We are now left with our log x base 3, right? Will now be equal to, we apply the power law of logarithm to this again, which is this very law here. So we move these two bracket. So this is going to give us log our 5 to the power of 2 base 3. Good. Now, we have log base 3, log base 3. And so we can equate the log themselves. And so this is going to give us here our x here will now be equal to our 5 to the power of 2, which is equals to 25. So we can now conclude, therefore, that our x is equal to our 25. All right, so if you put 25 into the position of x here, you put in 25 here and you simplify down, you get this. Okay, so thank you for watching. See you in our next class. Bye for now.